Alright guys, in this video I will unseal this cool camera, and as you can see here, the original sticker is still on. Bonus included with action camera adapter. I have no idea what that means, but we'll find out, I guess. Open this up and remove when recording. Okay, cool. Wow, it's they package this stuff like Apple products and stuff. It's very well, sort of everything fits together very well. It's interesting how they do these things. It's very cute looking. So there's some kind of pouch thingy here. That's interesting. Alright, I'll see you in the next video where we'll go through more of what's going on in here. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you soon.